Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry. I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone and Best. And today we're going to be taking a look at a Broan EIT1. This is an island hood made by Broan. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to program this particular unit for the CRT feature. Now CRT is code ready technology, and what that means is this unit can be limited down to 400 or 300 CFM. It's just a matter of hitting some buttons on this unit, and we'll go through it. Why would you want to limit the CFM? Well, a lot of local codes and areas say that anything over 400 CFM you need to bring in makeup air. Makeup air can cost money. This is just a simple way of doing it. Once you do CRT, there's no going back. Once you set it, it is what it is. The first thing you would do to set this unit at 400 CFM, you're going to press the first two buttons. You're going to press and hold it. And you're going to press and hold it for 5 seconds. And I'm going to do this here. So here we go. Hear the beep, 3 beeps, and now this unit would be set to 400 CFM. To set it to 300, you would have to do the same thing, press and hold the 2 buttons, 5 seconds. You're going to hear 5 beeps, and there's a letter C that was displayed, and that is telling you that that is now set to 300 CFM. That's as simple as it gets. Again, once this is set, it's like this hood now is set for 300 CFM for the life of the unit. Even if the power goes out, it'll still be reverted back to 300 CFM. So I hope this video helps. Thanks.